So what I want to show here is the same experiment, but with light contained inside that stainless steel can. At 20 times speed here, you'll see a clear relationship between the time the lights are on and the response of the horizontal pendulum. So if the light is changing the gravitational constant around the tile mass, if this is the case, an exciting new era of possibilities awaits us. Two things to note. Number one, the LED light has far less heat content than halogen or incandescent bulbs. Number two, the stainless steel pot and the aluminum foil have very low emissivities in the infrared spectrum, meaning very little, if none at all, thermal radiation will be hitting the tile surface to warm up the air. And combined with the heat capacity of the tiles, a negligible amount of warming of them. Here I want to show the behavior of a Crookes radiometer tube, shining a laser pointer at different angles here. So in this case, pointing it downwards, in between the veins, and even trying to get close to one side of the veins. So some of the movement is very small and difficult to distinguish and make any conclusions about. Those veins are very thin, made of very thin material, low density. I think this might be one of the reasons for the distinction between the effects of this device and the effects of the horizontal balance with the heavy tile plates on it. Now you might be tempted to think that the laser is pointed at the shiny side there. The photon pressure is supposed to push the veins because photons have momentum and they are reflected off the shiny side. But as you can see, that doesn't seem to be what's happening here. But rather, if the force is far greater on the dull side, it looks like photon absorption has something to do with this phenomenon in combination with the rarefied gas molecules. This is also well understood that this phenomenon doesn't work at higher pressure and high vacuum. Therefore, some distinction, I think, should be made between this Crookes photon kinetic gas molecule effect, which is still not well understood, and what was shown in the former clip with the horizontal balance and the 16 pounds of tiles moving under 1 atmosphere to suggest that air is irrelevant.